Because of how time consuming it does sound, do you have like a productivity hack?
Yes, so I would say in my case, especially, what I do for the larger events, I kind of split it in a way where I like pretty much spread it out over multiple days because of the fact that I'm choosing products that have a good shelf life. I'm able to, let's say, pick one product per day and then produce a large volume of it, then pick another item the second day, do a large volume of it. When you focus on one product at a time, it helps a lot. For example, my Dubai chocolate bars is a perfect one to start with if it's a larger event, since that one has the longest shelf life. I'll start with as the first item, and then maybe items that don't have as big of a shelf life, something like my cake pops, for example. I'll leave those and I'll dip those to like the night before an event. Whenever I'm preparing for an event, I'll give myself usually anywhere between the 3 to 5 day mark prior to the event to produce everything. It depends on your product more than anything. Like if you have a product, let's say that's doesn't have a very good shelf life, then I would definitely recommend to produce enough just to sell out. What I will do with events is I'll pick the item that has the biggest shelf life, like the Dubai chocolate bars, and then I'll produce the most out of that, for example. Then the items that don't have a very good shelf life, let's say my chocolate strawberry cups, those have literally 1 to 2 days shelf life. So I cut back on the amount that I make of those, but I'll still have at least like one or two menu items that I'll have on my menu where I'll produce a large quantity of. Because in my opinion, I would say it's better to have leftovers. Because you never know how much you can sell at an event, right? I'd rather bring more than less. So that's sort of what I do at events, just to be safe. And then I'll just, while I'm at the event, try to focus on the stuff that doesn't have a very good shelf life to make it sell out first, and then only come back with the stuff that has a has a longer shelf life.